Dobro Veche, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Friday. Yay! Friday. Made it. Yes. June 26th, 2020. Woo, it's been a rough week. Yeah. Do an energy check-in with the Twin Flames today. Yeah, I don't even know. Like, I just got this feeling. Like, I know I said it yesterday, but I just can't shake this feeling. It's something huge. There's something big about to happen. I, 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 I don't know if me knowing would help at all. I just know something is coming. So I guess steel yourselves, guys, and this may be why you're needing a really strong 5D connection with your counterpart right now. Okay. So keep that in mind. And actually, that's interesting because the first card out we've got is Neptune. So look at all this water. My God. So 5D communication, 5D connection, very, very strong. Specifically, a lot of dreams I feel coming in with the masculine right now. Some of you may be communicating with your masculine this way. And I know this has kind of been a thing for a while. Especially those of you who are not in 3D communication or not in 3D union. The 5D union, the 5D communication is amped up right now, okay? I also feel masculines in general are also getting a lot of downloads right now about, specifically about, not their connections, no, but about their path. I'm getting, like, a lot of them are possibly getting some hints on what their mission may be. Some of them are getting like sparks of creativity as far as that goes. Like they're literally getting information from sources like you need to do this. This needs to happen. Okay, so some of them may be getting dreams that way. You know, some of them some of them are getting past life stuff, I do feel, okay? Some of them are purging because of that. Like I'm getting heavy purging just in general. And feminine's also your masculine side. You know, we all have both, right? Your masculine energy, I do feel there's a lot of things coming up with male energy, masculine energy, just in general. So as an example, like if you're actually like physically female, and a divine feminine, your masculine energy kind of coming in. I feel like a lot of divine feminines might be clearing some karma with male figures, with like maybe father figures or something of that nature, okay? So that's coming in very strongly, all right? So that I feel a lot of emotion with that. Some of you are addressing some daddy issues, okay? Addressing some issues with father figures specifically. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Okay, some of you are clearing this karma through a child. Some of you are clearing this karma with your masculine. Like through your masculine. You're clearing issues like that through your masculine, or maybe through a soulmate, or through a masculine who is not yours. Specifically. This is funny to me. So, yeah, I mean, what that's doing, though, I feel is bringing a lot into balance. And I will say that you can have karmic experiences with your counterpart, okay, that can bring up things like that to be cleared. All right, so those of you who are in 3D union or who are together with your counterpart, you know, this may be coming up for you guys, okay, right now, and this may be bringing in some conflict, okay, you know, but also like feeling this need to reconcile, feeling this need to bring things back into balance, feeling this need to kind of keep the peace, okay? So some of you are dealing with this maybe by not speaking what you need to speak, you know, treading very carefully, you know, but all the while feeling very triggered and knowing that you need to release some things. So some of you just need to speak your mind right now, whether that be with your counterpart in a karmic situation, whatever. Some of you just have so much that you need to communicate, get off your chest, okay? And you haven't been because you're afraid. Again, this seems to be a common theme of the rejection, or afraid you won't be accepted for what you think or what you say. All right. All right, so masculine energy, yeah. Yeah, divine masculine is trying to figure something out here, and I definitely feel a lot of it does have to do with mission. Some of them may be stepping into a new line of work. Some of them may be stepping into a new path, literally. Some of them may be moving away from where they had been, like, and they're recognizing this too, that they are different people than they were 6 months ago. All right. And spiritually, like, spiritual awakening will do this to you. You look in the mirror and you just don't recognize yourself anymore. You don't know who you are. Some of you feel, you know, it's like you feel like you're going nuts because you just, all of your old beliefs just completely shattering around you, right? Everything that had been keeping divine masculine stuck, you know, is just coming out. So I feel, again, a lot of purging coming in with the masculines right now, okay? And it's because they're getting these psychic messages, okay? And they might be getting, look, divine feminine, I know, you know, you get probably dreams and messages from your counterpart all the time where they're telling you what's happening in their life. Right now, I feel like a lot of divine masculines are getting these things about their feminines. Okay? Typically, if you've moved on, they might be actually feeling you, seeing you, doing whatever you're doing. Okay? Keep that in mind. That is a thing, all right? And some of that may be bringing in some regret, some sadness, some things that need to be purged, okay? This feelings of betrayal, which is ironic, right? But I mean, those things are coming up right now for divine masculine. So I mean, I'm talking a major purge for divine masculine. And divine masculine may be coming forward with some of this, okay? Some of them may be coming forward, telling you how they feel about it, 3D, 5D, whatever. Okay, so be prepared for that energy coming in. If it's energy that's coming in, be very, very careful. Make sure you're guarding yourself. And I know I said this yesterday, be very careful with your energy. Guard your energy. Keep it clear. Okay? But yeah, divine masculine is seriously wrapping up some karmic cycles. And they may be, you know, purging some you know, I mentioned mommy issues before, you know, stuff like that, issues with females in general through you, divine feminine. But they could also be doing that with a karmic, okay? A karmic partner or whatever it may be. All right. But I mean, divine masculine is just kind of like, been this way though, been really kind of unsure, but it's a very emotional driven thing. Like, a lot of them are just like, they feel like it doesn't matter the decision that they make, and so they sit kind of like in regret. But in the meantime, you know, a lot of this dark night of the soul energy coming in, so sexual energy coming in. Some of them may come in sexually, honestly. Some of you may get some communication, but it may be of a sexual nature. All right, which is, you might help them they're basically trying to distract themselves from their emotions they don't want to feel. So they behave in a sexual way, or they send sexual energy. Okay, so be prepared. Be prepared for that. All right, let's take a look at divine feminine here. Wow, divine feminine, yes. Yes, I love that this is the first card out for feminine. Yeah. Garner your strength right now, divine feminine. You're going to need it. You are going to need it, okay? And this came out in the upright yesterday, so this coming out in the reverse today tells me a lot of you are basically in this strength mode right here, and you are just releasing this crap. You're not dealing with it anymore. All right, you've been holding yourself hostage, right? You've been keeping your transformation at bay, but no more. No more. This actually came out this way, okay? So that tells me it's literally in transition. So you're going from here to here. All right. So that's really good. That's really good. Some of you are releasing a third party situation. Some of you are releasing your counterpart who are in third party situations. You know, things like that. Some of you are releasing your own third party situations and trying to rebuild from some towers here. And we've all had these towers this year. We've all had them. We found it very difficult to rebuild there at first, you know, because it's like you had one and then you had another, and you couldn't even collect yourself from one before another would hit, right? So a lot of us getting back to where we actually feel like we can rebuild. We're actually building something solid right now, right? But at the same time, trying to keep our emotions in check here, okay? So divine feminine, again, you know, keep in mind there's a difference between stubbornness and strength, okay? So make sure that you're not in stubbornness, that you are in strength, okay? You don't want to suppress your emotions necessarily, but I do feel a lot of divine feminines learning to control their emotions, learning to take responsibility for how they feel, and not letting others, you know, control how they feel. All right. And that's really good. So yeah, Divine Feminine kind of at a crossroads again right now, deciding which way to go here, but she knows that she needs to move forward in her truth. So a lot of Divine Feminine is just releasing all of those emotions, releasing some of this karma, releasing codependency on the connection, and moving forward in truth. And some of you are ready to speak your truth, whether that be to your counterpart, to a karmic situation, whatever, maybe in your mission, maybe some of you moving forward in your mission, which requires you to kind of step up and step out of your comfort zone a little bit and speak your truth. Okay, so some of you are about ready to take on something pretty big, I do feel. Okay. Also, some of you getting ready to cut something out of your life, like completely, like ready to just move forward and say, screw this, I'm out. Okay. So connecting energies right now, yep. Boo. And I've been saying this for a while. A lot of illusions being shattered within the connections right now. These connections are not what you think, and you know that. And you're like, yep, okay, I get it now. I get it now. I see the truth here. I see the truth of the flame. I get it. Okay? Karmic situations, got to deal with that. Mountains, got to deal with that. Got to clear that karma, but I understand what this is teaching me. I get it. So a lot of you have gotten it. That's good. Okay? No longer feeling stuck in these situations. Some of you have been. Some of you have been feeling so stuck in these connections, like you cannot get rid of the connection. No, the connection's not going anywhere, but you can't let it make you feel stuck either. You just can't. Okay? And how do you deal with that? Okay, well, you just say, okay, what will be, will be. I'm living in the now. I accept things as they are. Thank you, universe, for everything you've shown me. I'm ready to walk away, right? But some of you haven't been walking away. Some of you have not. Some of you are still holding yourselves back from walking away, specifically in some of these connections. And what that's doing is it's keeping your masculine from walking away from some of the issues that they're dealing with too, Divine Feminine, okay? Or if you're a masculine who's awakening, so take it as it resonates, okay? Whoever the awakened twin is, it's like you're holding each other back, but whoever the awakened twin is the one who needs to move, okay? So yeah, some of us just still in this waiting energy. Don't wait, don't wait, don't wait. And I mean, honestly, some of you, it's like, some of you who are refusing to walk away from a karmic situation is also holding this hostage too, okay? I do feel a return of the manifesting energy. I feel like a lot of people are trying to get back to, you know, when you're like manifesting things like left and right. And this was happening for me for a while, and I kind of got stuck too. Like we all kind of got in this energy. There's such a low vibrational energy going on right now. It's really difficult to manifest. But I feel like both counterparts right now in an energy of manifesting their way forward. Like whatever that may be, whether that be with money, whether it be a new job, whether it be a way out of a situation, whatever it may be, I feel this energy kind of returning to you. But you got to get that vibration up before you can, okay? Before you can actually move forward in victory here and get out of this stuck energy. And some of you, this betrayal energy, this what's the word I'm looking for? Abandonment stuff, okay, within the connection, that's being cleared majorly right now. And I think once we make the decision to walk away here, that's gonna dissipate. That's gonna dissipate, okay? Wow. You know, I am getting that. It sounds really strange. A lot of my masculines specifically are feeling very betrayed right now. They're feeling very betrayed. There's something coming in with that. I don't know if it's a karmic situation. Somebody is feeling very betrayed by a karmic situation right now on the masculine end. Okay? Alright, let's see. Messages from the counterparts. Yes, it is. Some of you may get some truth coming in, okay? Yeah. All right, messages and advice here. Wow, first card out is gratitude. I said that earlier. I was like, you know, some of you have not gotten to that. So you need to, you know, basically say, "Thank you, universe. I'm moving on now. I accept things as they are. Thank you for showing me the way." You know, some of you just haven't gotten to that point, okay? But be grateful for the things that you've learned, okay? And some of you, the reason your abundance hasn't come in yet because you're not acting as if. Remember the rule of manifestation: act as if, and you will have. Use subliminals if you need to. I love some subliminals, man, because you can do them while you sleep. You know, you can do them while you work, whatever. You know, some of you just haven't been in a good place to get this. Like the ego is just interrupting every 5 seconds in order for you to. Some of you need to just meditate. Some of you just need to clear your mind completely. Okay, shut your ego up. All right. Some of you are facing some dark night of the soul right now as well, which is bringing your vibration down. Okay. I know it's very difficult, but you can get through it. And sometimes we have more than one. They can last for a really long time. So have patience with yourself here, and just understand that you have the ability to bounce back. And some of you know this. Some of you, you know, you hit something, and then you realize how quickly you bounce back compared to maybe the beginning of your journey where you didn't bounce back as quickly. Now it's just like, oh, I get this. Okay, purge, I'm done, and I'm back, right? And that's good. So, you know, live and learn. All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye.